friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this Mom of the Birthday Girl t-shirt iron-on for my daughter's cupcake and donut themed birthday party. We're going to get started with Canva. Canva is an excellent program. I do have a link in my description below if you're interested in checking out Canva. Make sure you do that. It's an excellent program for graphics. That's how I do my thumbnails for YouTube. That's how I make all my Etsy cards. And also you can make a lot of other templates. You can do a lot of things on social media. So make sure you check out the link in my description to see if Canva is something you want to try. Now I wanted to create me a donut and cupcake shirt, and I was searching on Google trying to find somewhere to get some donut letters, and everybody was charging me like $5 a letter. I remember I had a Canva account, came in Canva, typed in donut letters, and bam, it's so much easier to design my shirts. Right here you see me spell out mom, and I'm copying and pasting the M. Pink and purple are her favorite colors, so I wanted to use pink M's. I found the O that I love in the donut chocolate color. I'm just trying to get the sizing right for the mom donut letters. And also you can choose any template. I just had a template already that I opened up to start making my design. You can just choose one of the templates based upon what type of design or what you're trying to do. And once I finally get my mom design together, I'm going to go ahead and download. So I just hit on the share button and then I go to download. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to the Avery website design. I have the Avery t-shirt transfers of $32.71. As you can see on the screen, the Avery transfer sheets that I used. So now once I actually get into Avery website, I'm able to go ahead and download the design that I did for Canva. This is where I'm going to get a little bit more creative. This is where I'm going to finalize the rest of my shirt. I did have a reference, as you saw really quick. That was a reference to give me an idea of kind of how I wanted to do it, to give me a jump start of how I want to make my shirt look. So I just kept referencing back to that. So here I'm just getting the sizing right. Now Avery will let you know if your design that you have is out of the border. I don't think I did it in here, but it'll give you some red lines and let you know that it wouldn't print properly because it's out the border. So make sure that you keep whatever you do inside the border to make sure that it prints right. And then I'm adding of the, so my birthday shirt is going to say Mom of the Birthday Girl. Since I was able to get my donut letters from Canva, now in Avery I'm going in and just finishing up my design. I'm just going through trying different fonts to see what I want to do for of the. I'm changing the size. I'm trying to estimate and get the size right. When you do design your shirt, take your time. Like I said, find a reference to use to make it easier. So once you go in to try to figure out how you want to do it, you have something to go back and forth to look at that can help you finalize your design if you need that. And I'm just changing the color. She loves, like I said, pink and purple. So I decided to go on the color wheel and get the color that I wanted to a dark purple. And next I'm typing in the text birthday. So I'm just typing that in, and then I'm going to, as you'll see in a few seconds, I'm going to go ahead and change the color and the font to something that I finally like for the word birthday. Now I'm going to go ahead and change this to a pink color. And I love that Avery makes it really easy to work with as far as the fonts, and they have a lot of font options. And then also, this is a gallery that they have. You just click on the Avery gallery, and then I clicked on birthday. So my daughter's theme was cupcakes and donuts. I found a cupcake that I thought was pretty cool that I can use. And I'm going back in to see if there's anything else. And I do love these balloons. What's a party without any balloons? So I thought that would be cute to put on a shirt as well. And I'm looking in the food and beverage. I'm trying to see if they have a donut. I do find a donut, and then I realized the letters to spell out mom are donut letters, so decided that I didn't need to add another donut. So this is the final design that I decided for mom of the birthday. And so the word girl, I had to design it on its own page since I ran out of space to design it on the previous design. And once you have your design, and you just go ahead and you do a sample print. And keep in mind, once your image print, it will be backwards. The best way if you want to check it is to hold it up and look in the mirror, and you'll see the right way that'll look. Right now, we're going to get ready to go ahead and cut out our transfer sheets. They do tell you to try to cut curved edges, and I probably should have just did a big oval around mom of the birthday instead of just trying to be really specific. But it's okay. I would suggest just leave it or just cut a big oval around the outer edge of it. And now I'm taking girl and I'm cutting an oval edge around that. And now I'm lining up the transfer sheets that I cut just to see how I want to line them up to iron on. They suggest that you put a pillowcase underneath the shirt and then make sure that you iron it on a hard surface. And then I'm going to flip over the transfer sheet to iron it on. And then they do suggest that you set a timer for about 2 to 3 minutes to do a whole sheet. So I'm just going to slowly iron the edges and then also iron the entire transfer sheet. But you do want to take your time and make sure you get all the edges so it can stick really well. And make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell to be alerted of all my video uploads on Fridays. And as you see, my timer is just up, so I'm adding my girl to it, so we can say mom of the birthday girl. And this is a little bit smaller, so I think I only needed to iron this for about a minute or a minute and a half. Okay, as you can see, our time is up. We're going to go ahead and move the pillowcase from underneath the shirt. So it's time for us to start pulling up. And as you can see, it's not ready just yet. Sometimes that happens. You just go back and iron it for a little bit longer. So I'm testing out the girl to see if that's any better. And that started to stick a little bit. So I'm pushing it back down, and I'm going to take another 2 to 3 minutes and iron it again to make sure that this time that the design will stick to the shirt. And make sure you read the directions. Directions will tell you in the Avery package that you get, it will tell you exactly how long to iron on, and it will tell you you have to let it cool. You do want to give it a couple of minutes for it to set in order for it to stick like it's supposed to. And then we try it again, and as you can see, it's ready now. So be careful when you pull up the edges. And I'm also holding the shirt down so I can make sure that the transfer sheet keeps everything neatly onto the shirt. So just put a little bit of pressure and hold the shirt and go ahead and pull the design. And as you see, it turned out pretty good. I was happy with the way that it turned out. And so hopefully this was a video that you got to learn some things about iron-on transfers and how Canva works a little bit, as well as Avery. So make sure you go ahead and check out that Canva link in my description if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Please comment below if you like this video. Hit subscribe and the notification bell, and have a royal day.